the Nike socks. So cute. Okay, I love this color. Can we just take a moment? Can we take a moment? Oh, I cannot wait to put these on my feet. So this is like a gray. We have a gray situation and a cream situation. Adorable. Living. Now, for the piece de resistance, my first pair of Air Maxes. What? Who are we? We're late. Oh, okay. Now how do I open it? Oh. How cute! Already so cute. Classic Nike box. Oh my gosh, is this my first pair of Nikes that are not athletic shoes? I think these are my first pair of Nikes that are just for style. Because when I was in high school, I was an Adidas girl, so I had a lot of Adidas, but I never had fashion type Nikes. Whoa. I'm screaming. Oh my gosh, you're so beautiful. Oh. I didn't think I'd be this hype, I'm gonna be honest. Oh. Girl. Oh my god. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, number one, I understand why they're so popular. Number two, there's something different about the feeling here. Or is it here? Oh. Is this, it's like a cottony, like wool back here? Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Wow. I want to wear these so badly, but I also don't want to wear them at all. They're just too perfect. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, here I am. Here I am, part of the Nike gang for real. And you know, it's risky, especially when you feel like you're in love with a color online. It's risky to, you know, take a leap of faith and actually buy it in hopes that it actually looks that way when you get it. But worth the risk. This, honestly, if anybody knows me, they know I'm in love with the neutrals, and this just does something special to my spirit. I love it so much. Okay, well next I gotta try them on. Unboxing complete. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Okay, wait, I forgot one more thing. We gotta look at them with the socks. Oh yeah, that's cute. It matches perfectly with this part right here. Oh yes, that's gonna look so adorable. And even these, to be honest, with the gray, if you do the gray, I don't know, well I guess maybe not. Not really going with the white in my opinion. The cream is really the situation that we're going for. The neutrals, neutral on neutral on neutral. How cute. Okay, that was it. Bye.